Hi, this is Shankho here and welcome to Smart Bengali. In this video, I'm going to share my shopping experience with Bewakoof.com. I'll also show you how did I purchase a t-shirt with just Rs 50 from Bewakoof. Using this method, you can get yours too. So let's begin. First of all, if you are not aware of Bewakoof, Bewakoof is a fashion and lifestyle e-commerce store and it was founded on April 2012 by two IITians, Siddharth Monod and Prabkiran. Obviously forgot the other guy's name. I'm pretty bad about names. Anyways, since then they are rapidly growing and nowadays they are quite popular in India. Now even they are claiming that they have sold more than 1 crore products over the 7 years time span, which is quite remarkable for a startup, especially who started with an investment of Rs 30,000 only and no other seed funding. Personally, I think the biggest reason for their success is movie franchising. They've already partnered with big movie franchises like Marvel, Star Wars, T-Series, Viacom 18, Excel Entertainment, and you can buy their exclusive official merchandise items on Bewakoof. This is a big reason for their popularity and success. Because we all know people love movie franchises, right? So now I'm gonna order a t-shirt from Bewakoof and I'll show you how to get a t-shirt from Bewakoof at just Rs 50. But before moving to the order placement process, let me share an interesting story about how Bewakoof started. Since I've already digressed from the original video topic and I'm assuming that some of you are still watching this boring video, I thought why don't I waste one more minute of your time. This is a very interesting story. Like I said earlier, Bewakoof was founded by two IITians. During their college days, they had a hobby of buying unique domain names which they could sell at premium rates in future. So they bought Bewakoof.com like this way. Actually, it was about 2 years before the brand was launched. And after their college days, when they started this lifestyle brand, they remembered that they have got already a unique domain name, Bewakoof.com. It's catchy, distinctive and easy to remember, like a perfect brand name should be. So they went for it and it's pretty cool for marketing as well. So finally the unnecessary talks are over and let me order a t-shirt for my cousin. So this is the website and I've already added the item to my cart. I don't think I need to show you how to purchase an item online. The reason I'm showing the order placement is this, just for the proof. So if you pay via PayPal, you will get 100% cashback up to Rs 250 and remember this should be your first purchase on Bewakoof via PayPal payment method. That means if you are old PayPal customer but never purchased any items on Bewakoof, then you are eligible for this offer. And I've confirmed this from Bewakoof's customer care. And one more thing, you won't get instant cashback. The cashback will be credited to your PayPal wallet 30 days after the order completion. So let me add the delivery address. Let me quickly fill up this form. So I'll get 30 Bewakoof coins for this purchase. Now let me click deliver here. Now we have a PayPal payment method here. It will open my PayPal page. I had a voucher earlier in my wallet and I'm gonna use it now. So let me perform the transaction. As you can see, the order has been successfully placed. I've got a message about the order confirmation and hopefully I'll get a message when the order gets shipped. So I've just received the package and I've ordered the item on 30th December and it was shipped on 31st December by Blue Dart and today is 4th January. I've just received it 10 minutes ago. So let me move on to the unboxing. This is the package. Seems that they have changed the packaging. Earlier they used to ship via cardboard boxes but now they are using these cool envelopes which is unique and adds some value to the branding. You shouldn't throw away this packaging in case you want to return your item. They have 15 days return policy and they will pick up the return shipment from your doorstep. The envelope is wrapped with plastic. Let me cut this. So this is my ugly knife and I'm gonna cut it here. Let me open the lid and take a look inside. So this is the t-shirt, and as you can see, there's nothing else inside the box. No invoices. Probably they are using the shipping label on the envelope as invoice. I'm kinda surprised because from my past experiences, I was hoping to get small freebie items like keychain, badge, wristband, etc. inside the package. They used to give small gifts with every order. Probably they have forgot to add it due to year-end rush. Anyways, let's check the t-shirt. Okay, nothing inside it. So this is the full sleeve t-shirt with Friends logo on top of it. One of my favorite series. If you like feel good genre series, don't miss it. This is S-sized t-shirt, Bewakoof branding on the collar. I know due to my poor camera quality the color looks a little dull, but in reality it's really bright and the material quality is really decent for the price. Let me show you a closer look. Please bear with my poor camera quality and lighting. Hopefully you've got an idea about the material quality and the logo doesn't feel like cheaply printed. I have some previous experiences with Bewakoof items and from that I can tell you the colors will not fade away after wash. So this is a full sleeve t-shirt. As I've told you earlier, I bought it for my cousin, so I'm not gonna wear it now. But by looking at it, I'm confirmed that it will be a perfect fit for him. Before placing the order, you should check the size guide from the website. Let me quickly show you the back ones. The material quality is really decent if you consider the price, that is Rs 299. And as you've already seen that with Rs 250 cashback from PayPal, the effective price is Rs 49 only. Now guys, if you're interested to purchase items from Bewakoof, use this referral code of mine to get Rs 150 Bewakoof coin, which is 100% redeemable at their site. But you can redeem it only on selected items, but they have a very vast collection of those items. I've seen many people purchased a lot of items at free of cost with Bewakoof coins. So if possible, use my referral code. You and I both get a few coins. Also the PayPal cashback offer is still going on. Use that method to get Rs 250 cashback. And if you are new to PayPal, don't worry, PayPal is a trusted payment method, so you will get your cashback. So that's it guys, this was my review about Bewakoof.com. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, it will encourage me to make new videos. So like this video, share with your friends and post your questions in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you.